Day 17 of building German sentences without memorizing words. Today, we flip the entire engine 180 degrees backwards to master the native passive shift. In English, passive sentences are clumsy and wordy. The car is being repaired. If you try to translate is being literally into German, your sentence engine stalls out instantly. The German track is much cleaner. To focus on the action rather than the actor, the engine deploys a specialized dual clamp. The process verb werden, to become, takes the position to anchor, while your past tense GE action verb locks down the absolute end track. Mutate your English mindset. The car becomes repaired. Real German. Das Auto wird repariert. What is happening sits at position 2. The physical action seals the entire sentence track at the finish line. Werden at 2, action at the end. Hit follow for day 18, where we completely delete pronouns to issue lightning-fast native commands.